She bought a villa.
That is a huge place.
Look at the swimming pool.
It looks like a hotel.
She is holding champagne.
She has a bright smile.
Her life seems perfect.
It is a nice photo.
Look at our apartment.
What is wrong with it?
The paint is peeling.
We can fix the paint.
The sofa is old.
But it is comfortable.
I feel like a failure.
Why do you say that?
We're the same age, but she has everything.
That is not true.
I feel stuck here.
You are scrolling too much.
I cannot stop looking.
It makes you unhappy. Put the phone down.
Just one more minute.
No, put it down now.
Fine.
You look very tired.
I am not tired.
Your eyes are sad.
I'm just thinking.
Thinking about her money?
Thinking about my choices.
Do you regret us?
No, not at all.
Then what is the problem?
I want more for us.
We have enough today.
Is it really enough?
Why do you doubt it?
Because I compare myself.
Comparison is a trap.
It is a painful trap.
It steals your joy.
I know, but it's hard.
The room feels heavy.
I ruined the evening.
No, you did not. Let's go outside.
Outside? It's late.
We need fresh air.
I don't want to walk.
Just for 10 minutes. Trust me, please.
Okay, get my coat.
The wind is cool.
It wakes me up.
Look at that moon.
It is very bright.
Sarah's life looks shiny.
Yes, like a diamond.
Photos show the best parts.
But her success is real.
Yes, she worked hard.
And she has everything.
She has a different life.
What do you mean?
Every choice has a cost.
What is her cost?
Let me ask you.
Ask me what?
Imagine you are Sarah.
Okay, I am imagining.
You travel every week,
That sounds exciting.
but you are rarely home.
I am not home.
No, you are in hotels.
What about dinner?
You eat alone or with business partners.
I cannot eat with you?
No, we are far apart.
I don't like that.
And think about our son.
What about him?
You miss his soccer games.
But I want to watch.
You are busy working. You also miss his bedtime.
Who reads him stories?
Maybe a nanny.
No, I want to do it.
Would you accept that?
Just for a big house?
Yes, for that lifestyle?
No, I would not.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Why?
I want to see you.
Every day.
Yes, every single day.
And our son.
I want to be there.
To watch him grow.
Yes, that is important.
Sarah chose her career.
And that is okay.
Yes, it fits her.
But it doesn't fit me.
You chose family.
I am a family person.
We have different paths.
Neither path is wrong.
Exactly, just different. You see it now?
Yes, my mind feels much calmer.
Let's sit here.
My legs are tired.
What do we have?
We have a small car.
It takes us everywhere.
We have a warm bed.
And we sleep well.
Sarah probably sleeps little.
Stress keeps people awake.
I have you.
And I have you.
We never fight about money.
Because we live simply.
Simple is good.
Simple is freedom.
I forgot to be grateful.
Social media does that.
It makes us blind.
Blind to our own happiness.
I am happy, Tom.
I know you are.
I don't need a villa.
A villa is just bricks.
Home is people.
Exactly. Home is us.
But I still have dreams.
Tell me your dreams.
I want a bigger kitchen.
For your baking hobby.
Yes, to bake cakes.
That is a wonderful goal.
And I want to change the living room.
What do you want to change?
Let's buy a new sofa.
Ours is getting old.
I want a big, soft one.
Perfect for our family.
I also want to paint the walls.
What color do you like?
Something bright and warm.
It will feel like a new home.
We can make it beautiful.
We create our own happiness.
Just for us three, not for anyone else.
We move forward together.
Step by step.
No rushing. How do you feel now?
I feel lighter now.
The heavy feeling is gone.
Yes, totally gone.
Let's go home now.
Yes, it is getting cold.
The wind is stronger.
I need to warm up.
We are inside.
It feels so warm here.
Take off your coat.
All this walking made me hungry. Are you hungry too?
Yes, I want something hot.
How about hot pasta?
That sounds perfect.
With hot tomato sauce?
Yes, steaming hot.
I'll boil the water.
I will heat the sauce.
Do we have cheese?
Yes, lots of cheese.
This is real comfort.
Real life tastes good.
I'm glad we talked.
Me too.